Okay, Poppy, so I thought I would just run through a few of the ones you were getting wrong, just to see if this will help you. So we've got 4 claws each time. So start off with the first Y in the first bracket, and your first claw goes from the Y to the Y. Let's call that claw number 1. Remember, these claws are always multiplying. Y times Y equals Y squared. Okay, our second claw goes from that first Y to the second term in the second bracket, claw number 2, and there we get Y times 5, which is 5Y. That's plus 5Y. Right, so we've done both claws from that first Y in the first bracket. Move on to the 2 in the first bracket, and the other 2 claws come from that. So claw number 3 is going from the 2 to the Y. So claw number 3, and 2 times Y is plus 2Y. And then finally, claw number 4 goes from the 2 to the 5, claw number 4, and 2 5s are 10, plus 10. So that's step 1. We've gone and expanded the brackets. We've now got to do step 2, which is whether we gather our like terms. So you gather together all your y squareds, or all your y's, or all your normal numbers. So the only thing where we have more than one is the y's. So the y squared remains as y squared. The plus 10 remains as plus 10, but we gather together that plus 5y and plus 2y, giving us plus 7y. So just be careful that you're confident that when you're doing step 1, the clause, that is multiplying, but step 2, that gathering together, is adding. So moving on to question 4. So clause number 1, y times y is y squared. Clause number 2, y times minus 5 is minus 5y. Okay, whenever you've got a positive multiplied by a negative, you get a negative. Clause number 3, minus 2 times y is minus 2y. Now be very careful with clause number 4. That clause number 4 is minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. And minus times a minus is a plus. So that's plus 10. And then our final answer, we have to gather together those y's in the middle. Now think number line here. If you're on minus 5, and we take away another 2, that takes us to minus 7. So that is minus 7y in the middle. So y squared minus 7y plus 10. Question 6. Clause 1, x squared. Clause 2, minus 2x. Clause 3, plus 1x, which is just plus x. And clause 4, minus 2. And gathering up those terms in the middle, minus 2, which you then add 1 to it, gives you minus 1. So that's minus 1x or minus x. So that's x squared minus x minus 2. Question 9, clause 1, x squared. Clause 2, minus 4x. Clause 3, minus 3x. Clause 4, plus 12. Minus 3 times minus 4 is plus 12. And gathering together those like terms, minus 4, and then you take away another 3, takes you further into the negatives. So that's minus 7x. So x squared minus 7x plus 12. Now, question 10. This is going to be the last one I do, okay? Thought if you just sort of see the pattern, you might be able to have another go at these. So clause number 1 is x squared. Clause number 2, minus x. Clause 3, minus x. Clause 4, plus 1. And gathering our like terms, minus 1x, take away another x, takes us to minus 2x. So I hope that helps, Poppy. Good luck if you choose to have another go.